Unraveling the Travel Budget. Master your journey's finances. Hello, language adventurers. Today we're going to decode a very practical phrase that can be a game changer for your travels. Travel budget. It's not just about numbers. It's about the art of planning your adventure. Stay with us to become savvy travelers who know how to budget wisely. Travel budget refers to an estimation of the costs you expect to incur on a trip. This includes transportation, accommodation, food, activities, and any other expenses that might arise during your journey. It's like a financial roadmap that helps you enjoy your travels within your means. A travel budget is crucial because it helps you plan and save for your trip, avoid overspending, and reduce financial stress, allowing you to enjoy your travels more. By knowing your budget, you can make informed decisions about where to go, how long to stay, and what to do. Creating a travel budget involves a few important steps. 1. Research your destination costs for essentials. 2. List all possible expenses. 3. Allocate funds to different categories. 4. Track your expenses as you go. Here are some tried and tested tips for sticking to your budget. Use budget tracking apps. Be flexible with travel dates to get the best deals. Consider alternative accommodations like hostels or vacation rentals. Look for free activities to enjoy at your destination. Sometimes, despite your best plans, you may need to adjust your budget. That's okay. Stay flexible, keep an emergency fund, and be ready to reassess your spending priorities if needed. And that's a wrap on travel budgets. Remember, a good budget is a balance between saving and splurging. It's about making your money take you as far as you want to go. Happy travels, and we hope this video helps you craft the perfect budget for your next adventure.